Hey everybody, it's Kurt the Wordy Nerd from Bot Cave Studios, and today I want to introduce you to Lokt System. Lokt System is a modular diorama product using individual wall panels that can be reassembled using a series of locks and keys to create a variety of environments for your action figure displays and toy photography. Without any further ado, let's show you how it works. So this is a 90-degree lock, and 90-degree locks will be used to make corners and intersections. By connecting a wall panel using the keys along the sides that slot into the lock, snap it in place, and then same thing, snap it together. You create a small backdrop for your favorite action figures. These are designed at 6-inch scale, but they are also available in 4-inch scale. This here is a Hasbro G.I. Joe classified Snake Eyes, roughly 6-inch tall action figure, just to give you some reference of what the figures look like in the environments. On our left wall, we have a brick wall with the piping detail, and on the right, we have the bunker door with the brick wall detail. So, let's see if I can get a little bit better lighting on that so you can see some of the brick details and see that these are complementary sets. Each wall panel is double-sided, and while most walls have two different options, usually a slight variation of the other, these ones here are designed so that we've got the brick wall and the brick wall, as well as your basic flat surface wall, and a bunker door that's the same as the brick wall version, but this side uses that same flat wall design. So kind of like when you've got the cement walls. But two wall panels, while sufficient for a fun display of a single or a couple of figures, what if you've got more space or you want to do more with it? So there are additional locks that can be added to it. And then just connect additional wall panels to build out to your personal taste. All right. There are going to be 180-degree panels or 180-degree locks that will allow you to create straights and flat walls instead of just the corners with the 90 degrees. But this is our tester kit. This is just the sample of what this looks like. So we're going to throw a Snake Eyes back in here to give you a little bit more visual aid. Captain America wants to stand in and help me show a little bit more color with these walls in the background. All right. So as you can see, these walls look fantastic, and they fit together and they come apart easy enough. They take a little tiny bit of pressure to push in, otherwise they wouldn't be snug and stay locked in place. But with a little bit of gentle pressure, you can put them together, take them apart. You could go as simple as a single panel with a couple of locks on the ends, if that's all you wanted. You can go all out with a much larger display base or an action figure headquarters of some kind. If you want to make something like a villain's lair with the bunker and the brick walls, you can completely do that. How about a Cobra Python Patrol Televiper guarding his Cobra base, right? A Cobra Trooper or Cobra Officer or whatever. But so you can see that the size works well with 6-inch scale action figures. what about like a 6.5 or 7 inch scale guy? We can throw one of them in there too, just to show that off a little bit more. This is an Animal Warriors of the Kingdom by Sparrow Toys. And as you can see, the height still works just fine in this environment. All right. Now, so what do you get with a set? Say you wanted to do your own printing. The file set includes 4 wall panels. You get the brick wall and the basic wall. You get the double-sided bunker door. You get the double-sided industrial wall. And you get a doorway. And it's the open doorway, like the science lab. Then you also include the 90-degree lock and the 180-degree lock. If you wanted something that's more ready to use right out of the box, we offer 2 other alternative options. There are the 3D printed complete set of 2 of each wall panel, of the brick walls and the basic wall, the bunker door, the industrial wall, and then 1 each of the tech lab with the open door and a closed door panel. And then you'll get 4 of the 90-degree locks, and you'll get, I think the set is 2 of the 180-degree locks. Those can be provided unpainted if you want to paint them yourselves, or painted if you'd rather truly just have something ready to use right out of the box. Additional kits will be available. They will come with less of the locks and give you samples, basically. You'll get 1 panel and 1 lock, or 2 locks and 2 panels, something like that. So there are currently over 100 individual files that I've generated for a Lokt system. And this means that there is enough product to keep this going every 3 to 4 months for a couple of years at least. Okay? So the design work is already done. What do I need help with? What I need the help with here is to manufacture these. There are 2 basic ideas. I can either 3D print them, or I could use injection plastics. And injection plastics are a much higher startup cost because, I mean, the machines are $10,000 to $12,000. The CNC router machine to cut the steel plates for the molds, I mean, those run upwards of $10,000, $12,000 for the machine, and then you're looking at a lot of money if you outsource the project. The costs are just so astronomical, but I'm going to go the other direction. I think to get us started, printing them myself is the right choice. Using something like the Sonic Mega, the Frozen Sonic Mega 8K liquid resin printer would allow me to print complete sets at the same time. And with 2 or 3 of those machines running, I can make a complete set once every 2 or 3 hours per machine. So that's what we're gunning for here. That's what we want to see happen. Is I'm trying to get at least 2, hopefully 3 machines that I can keep running pretty regularly, so that we can get these made and in the hands of collectors and fans that want dioramas but can't necessarily afford the $300, $500, $1,000 for a custom diorama set. So I want to thank you guys for listening and checking this out. And remember, the Kickstarter will go live on June 1st, 2024. So more information will be available at that time. Let me know what you think, though. Do you like the look? The detailing, not the colors. These are prototypes. These are just simply prototypes. They are printed using the highest quality settings. Very slow in the process, but it makes them very sturdy pieces. So, yeah. Personally, I'm a huge fan. I love it. I think all of the work has been worth it, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Thanks.